yeah, I've been doing a bit of work with the axe and the knife, so I thought this might be an opportunity to do another Bushcraft Basics video on sort of like just general little tips of showing sharpening, or how I sharpen my axe and my knife while I'm out and about in the field, because I don't carry a large whetstone with me. I just carry a small one, like this. All it is Victoria or Swiss ceramic whetstone, and that's what I'm just going to use now. Right, so yeah, just a normal whetstone. I can't remember what the grit is on this. It just needs a bit of cleaning up. Just getting a bit of spit on there. Just dampen it up. I'm just going to wipe on a bit of damp moss here, just to clean that up a little bit extra. Okay, so for my knife, and this is a Murray knife, the Bushcraft Black with a 90-degree spine. So for the knives that have got the Scandi grind, they're really easy, because all you have to do is match up the angle of the grind to the angle of your, and that's pretty much it. And then some people I've seen, and we see on these adverts, and the chefs are drawing it against the steel. Well, with a whetstone, and this is a smaller whetstone, so you just want to find that edge and take it towards the blade, and I just do that, and then towards when you're getting towards the tip, just raise the tip a little bit as you come down. Which doesn't take much, and you'll be able to see on the other side when you're taking away. And then you just do the same when you're coming back. Just be careful of your thumb. Just do it. You just have to do it lightly. You know, you don't have to put much pressure on it at all. And then that's probably sharp enough. And I can test it by, yeah, so that's taking hairs off the back of my hand. So that's now back to razor sharp. Good knife. I mean, this one's anodised, apart from where the Murray bit is. So ideally, if I was out for a few days, I would carry a bit of fat with me. Some pig fat is best, and just put a thin layer of pig fat over the surface, just to stop the moisture from getting in there. Right, for my axe, because my axe has had quite a bit of abuse today. It's a bit on the mucky side. I'm just going to actually use, the snow's coming down a bit now, just going to use this just to clean off some of the muck of the outside. I need to make another mask for this axe anyway, because it's the ones that come with these Halterford ones. This is the trekking axe. The basic axe mask isn't brilliant. It serves its purpose to a point, but I mean, that's still pretty razor sharp. As opposed to the way we did the knife, all you want to do really, this is a slightly different move to start with. is you go more of a circular motion along the face of the axe. Let's get a bit of wet on that. That's pretty much all you need to do, and you'll find, because the angle on the axes are always a little bit different, you just have to alter it a little bit. And then what I like to do to hone it off is just to bring that back down on that side. Exactly the same. I mean, you can get an axe puck for this, but I find with this small ceramic stone, it does exactly what I need. So it feels a little bit more rough on this side. That snow's coming down a bit heavier now. And I would even strop the axe if I wanted to get an extremely sharp edge on it, which I normally do. But this is, I think this is something like about 1200 roundabout. I can't quite remember, 1200 grain. So, you know, as you saw with a knife, I could get a razor sharp edge even with just the stone, and I didn't necessarily need to strop it. Now that feels pretty darn sharp. And again, just test it on the back. It's not quite razor sharp. It's a little bit more. You'll tell a bit more when you start getting material being pushed onto the other side of the blade. Holding this axe in this weather isn't great because it's freezing cold. It's about 2 degrees today. I'd also do the same. Was out for a few days. I'd get some fat and coat the blade edge, and any bits where there wasn't any paint or anodizing. Some of these axes come anodized or painted. This one has a bit of a coating on it, and that fat will just stop it from rusting up. There we go, it's taken a few hairs off. It's pretty much there. Could do with stropping really, I think this. And but yeah, quite simple really, but a very important job to do when you're out in the wilderness, is to keep your blades sharp and pristine as you can. This one's a bit mucky for my liking, but that's more or less the job. So now we have a sharp axe and a sharp knife. I'm not going to get it out because, as you can see, the snow is now coming down. It's that really fine gritty stuff. So I'm going to get a move on out here. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned a little bit of something. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, liked, commented on all the videos. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.